video, we are going to see one problem under hashing. That problem it is called a collision problem. So in collision, what does the problem actually means? When two different keys have the same value, then the problem occurs between the two values known as collision. So just I am telling what is collision. Before that, as far as the collision is concerned, we want to overcome the collision problem. So we follow two methods. One is open hashing method, open hashing, or it is called as closed addressing. Another one is closed hashing, or the another name it is called open addressing. Okay. In open hashing, suppose we have a list of key values, that is the key values are given here. These are all the key values which is given. Okay. So it is called as 3, 2, 9, 6, 11, 13, 7, 12. And in this case, we slightly modify the previous formula. In our previous video, we saw one formula. That formula it is called h of ki, it is equal to ki modulo m. So this is what the previous formula. When we are using the same formula here under the collision problem, when we overcome the collision problem, we slightly modify this formula as this. That is h of k, it is equal to 2k plus 3 modulo m. So this is what the formula we are going to follow here. Suppose I am taking the value from here. This is the actual value. So I am going to store the actual value in the hash table. For example, I am taking the hash table here. So I am going to store this value in the hash table. Before that, for each and every value, I am going to calculate the index. The index of the particular key. Okay. So how can we find it out the index? Index it is nothing but we are taking this formula and we are calculating the index. What is formula? H of k, it is equal to 2k plus 3 modulo m. So here it is h of 3 equal to 2 into 3 plus 3. So whatever k, the k which is applied here as 3 because the first number is 3. So h of 3 equal to 2 into 3 plus 3 modulo 10. What is it? 2 into 3 means that is 6. 6 plus 3 it is 9. 9 modulo 10 it is called 9. Okay. So what I am going to do means I go to the 9th index and I am storing the value 3. What is that? I go to the 9th index, I am storing the value 3. Okay. Then next one is second number is 2. So h of 2 equal to 2 into 2 plus 3 modulo 10. So 2 into 2 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 modulo 10 it is 7. So in the 7th index I am going to store number 2. So I am going to 7th index, I am storing number 2. And the next one it is third number is 9. H of 9 equal to 2 into 9 plus 3 modulo 10. What is 2 into 9? 2 into 9 it is 18. 18 plus 3 it is 21. 21 modulo 10, the value it is 1. We already have idea because what is it? In 20 there are 2 tens are there. Remainder it is 1 only. So that's why the value it is 1. In the index 1, I am going to store the number 9. So 9 is stored here. Then next number is 6. 6 that is 2 of 6 plus 3 modulo 10. So 2 into 6 what is it? 2 into 6 it is 12. 12 plus 3 it is 15. 15 modulo 10 it is 5. So go to index 5. I store the value 6. So 6 it comes in. Okay. Then once again we are taking the next number 11. 2 into 11 it is 22 plus 3 25 modulo 10. What is the value here? The value it is 5. What problem it occurs here means already index 5 it is filled. Okay. Once again the same index it comes. Once again the same index it comes. So at this type of problem, when we go to the index 5, already 6 is there. How can I store 11 there? So if I store that, 6 is overrated. Okay. So this type of problem it is called collision problem. So we want to overcome the collision problem. So that's why we are taking two methods, open hashing and closed hashing. In open hashing, I am following this formula. At the same time, I am using one more technique, it is called collision problem, that is collision resolution by chaining method. What is chaining method? For example, just you consider this diagram. In this diagram, that is universe of keys, that is keys are here, and that is k number of actual keys are there. K1, K2, K3, K4, K5 number keys are there. So this is also keys. 3, 2, 9, 6 all are keys. Here I am mentioning in general K1, K2, K3. Suppose I am taking K1 and K4. What happens means within the same index K1 it is placed and K2 is also it points the same index. At that time, instead of storing two values there, I am making one chain. Through that chain, I am creating separate memory address, and in the separate memory address I am storing and I make a connection. So this type of making connection, it is called a chaining. So that same chaining we are going to implement here. At the index 5, what I do? I have to create one more memory address. In that memory address, I am storing next number 11. Is the point clear? So this is what we have to do. What is the next number? It is 13. Index equal to h of 13 equal to 2 into 13 plus 3 modulo 10. So 2 into 13 means 20, 26. 26 plus 3, 29. 29 modulo 10, it is, what is it? Again, it is 9. So 9 already, index already there. So that's why it is collision. So collision means what I do? I have to go to number 9. I am creating one chaining there and I am making one memory in that chaining and I store the number 13 there. Okay, so through this method I am overcoming the collision problem. What is the next number? Next number is 7. 7, index 7 equal to h of 7 is equal to 2 into 7 plus 3 modulo 10 equal to 2 into 7, it is 14. 14 plus 3, it is 17. 17 means what is the value? It is 7. Once again collision it comes because 7 already filled. So that's why collision it comes. We go to index 7. I am creating one chain and I am making one new memory address and I am storing number 7 there in the memory chain. Okay. So next number, what is next number? Next number is 12. h of 12 equal to 2 into 12 plus 3 modulo 10 equal to 2 into 12, it is 24. 24 plus 3, 27. 27 means again the same index it comes, 7 comes. So 7 already collision. So what I do? I have to store number 12. I go to 7. I go to this chaining. Once again I am making another memory address. I am storing 12 there. Is the point clear? So through this way, through this chaining method, I overcome from the collision problem under open hashing method. What is open hashing? Open hashing is nothing but if the table is not there, in the table, the particular entry of the hash table, it is already filled. We are creating one chaining. That chaining it is called open hashing. It is newly open one memory address. Store the information there. So it is correspondingly it is called as closed addressing. Why it is called as closed addressing means the address is same. Okay, and within the same address we are storing one more value with the technique of chaining. Okay, so this is what the idea of overcoming the collision problem.